Who is ready for a delicious recipe that requires no cooking? It's summer and nobody wants to stand in front of a hot stove, so I have the perfect recipe for you. It could be lunch, it could be dinner. It is Greek chicken wraps, super fast, super easy. This is a great recipe to take for your lunch if you're sick of traditional sandwiches. It stores well in the fridge for kids' lunches, your lunch, whatever, picnics. This is a copycat recipe that I got from a local deli. I love these wraps that they make, and it seemed pretty basic, so I figured out how to make them at home. Just a few ingredients. I got the spinach flavor because the deli that makes them uses the green wraps, which I like for color. I have deli meat. This is Ever Roast chicken made by Boar's Head that I particularly love. You could use turkey, you could use chicken, anything. Some romaine lettuce, kalamata olives, roasted red peppers, feta cheese, and we're gonna make a pesto mayo. And 5 minutes, done. You're gonna love these, and I hope that you're gonna share them with friends. So to get started, we're gonna make the pesto mayo, and I'm only making one wrap right now, so you can adjust the quantities if necessary. So we'll do equal parts of mayo and equal parts of pesto. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of mayo. Okay, and then I have packaged pesto. I really prefer to make it myself, but I didn't have walnuts, so this is what we're gonna use. It's actually pretty good. So a couple tablespoons of the pesto, and just get it really mixed. Okay, are you ready for super fast, super easy? All right, so spread this pesto mayo all over the tortilla. Okay, and I say be generous with it because it's gonna add some tremendous flavor. Okay, and then we're gonna put the romaine lettuce, okay, and it's gonna give it a nice crunch. So, just a couple romaine hearts there, just to cover it. If you want more lettuce, put more, by all means. All right, and then the meat. So, depending how meaty you like it, I'd like a decent amount. This is sliced pretty thin, but that's probably, I put like 5 pieces of thinly sliced deli meat, which is chicken, as I said. All right, and then the kalamata olives. Isn't this looking good already? Man, oh man. This is my lunch today. Okay, and roasted red peppers, you can get them in a jar. They're super cheap. You can roast your own if you feel like roasting your own. Let's put them all. Okay. And feta. Are we talking about fast and easy or what? If you don't like feta cheese, use whatever cheese you want or use no cheese, okay? It's up to you. It is a strong flavor, so I don't put too much, but it gives it that authentic Greek taste that I love. All right, so get everything in there tight. Roll it up. I like to use foil just to hold it all together. Why spend money at the deli when you can just make it at home, right? Because I confess, I do love to eat out. I don't eat out that often, and it's only because I have a whole posse with me, and so it adds up really quick. It's a treat for us. So there you have it. Greek chicken wrap, 5 minutes flat, looking delicious. Go make them. I can't wait to bite into it. So remember, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, guys, because I mean, who doesn't want something new for their lunch, right? Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.